Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or install Windows Media Player in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Optional Features. Click Add a feature. Select Windows Media Player. Click Install. Windows Media Player is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.